Amazon Fire controller for my Amazon Fire TV. Let's unbox it. Nice packaging. Two Amazon batteries and the instructions. Looks like about a regular size controller. Feels good in the hand. The classic 4-button scenario. Got play, pause, and fast forward down at the bottom there. Spot for your batteries. Feels good in the hand. Let's go test it out. This is the home section of the Amazon Fire TV, not the stick, the regular. I'm sure the screen is the same though. So we're going to go all the way down to settings. So to go to settings, we're going to move over to controllers. Click on that. Amazon Fire TV remotes. Bluetooth game controllers, you're going to click on that. As you can see, the only option is to add Bluetooth controllers. There's none on there. Click on that. Then it gives you instructions. Press and hold the home button for 5 seconds. I'm going to grab the remote. We are going to hit the home button for 5 seconds. Home button. And there pops up the Amazon Fire game controller. We're going to click on that. Pairing the controller. And it's ready. And as you can see, game controller works well. It's very responsive. No lag time that I could tell of. My game skills may be a different story, however. And I just missed all that stuff.